Hi, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, the wok is really hot. It's really important that this wok gets really hot. This is stir-fry wok cooking. I've got a touch of oil in there. We're starting to smoke a little bit now. Let's start off with some garlic and ginger. Cook this for like 20 or 30 seconds until it browns. Really important part this is. This stage will infuse that oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use any oil you like really. It's entirely up to you. Okay, that's just slightly changing colour. Let's go in with a few onions. Sliced onions. I'm using red. Use white if you want. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Now I've got boneless, skinless chicken breast, and as you will see in a moment, it's cut very thin. I mean, sort of spaghetti type, if you know what I mean. Just showing you a few here. But in it goes. The chicken being so thin means that this is going to cook really quickly. I'm going to stir this around for like just a couple of minutes, 2 minutes, then I'll be back. Keep stirring, don't take your eye off it. Okay, this has just been a couple of minutes. Get a little bit of black pepper in there, ground black pepper. Not adding any salt to this dish because we're going to be adding our soy sauce and that will contain enough saltiness. 2 green peppers there, again cut in the same way as the chicken is, just to add a little bit of flavour really and a little bit of colour. Now you could add some fresh chilli to this dish if you want. I'm not adding any to this particular one today. But yeah, a couple of red fresh chilies chopped in there will give it a nice kick. Now our bean sprouts. In they go. Again, a nice stir around. Now depending on how you like your bean sprouts, depends on how long we're going to cook this for. Some people like them a little bit crunchy, like I do. I like them cooked, but slightly crunchy. Other people like them cooked for a long time in lots of soy sauce, kind of boiled in the soy sauce. Just going to go in now with some spring onions. Again, just stirring vigorously. Now I've got some soy sauce. I'm using a dark soy sauce. Feel free to use a light one. Again, a lovely aroma is coming from this. That ginger and garlic's really working wonders. That chicken, because it's so thin, look, I mean it's so thin, so thin. It's already cooked. Okay, I'm going to cook this for about 1 more minute on a really high heat.